Hey there, and welcome to the RepairQ Release 1.16 Rundown. My name's Jared, and I'll be your navigator on our journey through improving ticket transaction times, overhauling the way you add and maintain customer records, and new customer engagement and tracking tools. Let's dive in. First, we'll be talking about the biggest feature popping up in 1.16, which is a massive update to Qsite, our web-based customer engagement toolset. Qsite opportunities will embed in your website to help engage your online visitors, and then will enable you to convert them to leads and track them as opportunities within RepairQ. Release 1.16 will provide the ability for your customers to search for location, drill into a category to find a specific catalog item, receive a quote for that item, and schedule an appointment with the previously selected location. This update to opportunities is jam-packed with features including the location finder, quote generation, contact form, and appointment scheduler, and we're so proud to be rolling it out in Release 1.16. Next up, we have another major enhancement to RepairQ, categories. Our new categories will equip you with the tools to associate a catalog item, transaction type, or other actions with specific categories in a hierarchy to enable quicker searching and improve visual browsing. With Release 1.16, we're also introducing compatibility checks with parent catalog items. This should help decrease your ticket transaction times and reduce screen clutter when you associate parent catalog items with one or more compatible children catalog items. You can also save yourself a ton of time with our brand new auto bundling feature. Bundle compatible parent and children catalog items by flagging each item you want bundled together. Our last major update with 1.16 is the overhaul of our customer intake process. We've updated all contact and customer creation and editing experiences to use one universal format to help improve data entry time and accuracy. We've also reorganized the contact fields to ensure that RepairQ required fields and your required fields are entered first. There are also new validation checks in place to make sure that no duplicate entries are allowed into your system. And finally, we've added an alert that will notify users if any existing transactions are currently open after adding a contact to a quote, ticket, or appointment. This should help with ticket duplication and save you time and money. That's it for Release 1.16. If you'd like to read the full release notes, please head over to our blog at repairq.io/blog, or you can click the link below. Thank you and have a great day.